Hi, Ewan here, and I have a question from many subscribers, and they ask, what is affiliate marketing for beginners? Now, if you are a beginner to the internet business and to making an income online, then affiliate marketing is likely one of the best and easiest business models that you can get started with, especially if you are a beginner. This is because affiliate marketing, which is by definition a business model that allows you to partner with other companies or other people and helping them to market their products and services in return for a commission. So it's a referral business. Now this business model is perfect for beginners because first of all, you do not need to create your own products, which could take you a lot of time, effort, and money. Okay, so it is hard work basically. Now, secondly, right, it means that you do not need to worry about product fulfillment, delivery, and all the hassles that comes along with that. And you do not need to do any customer service or any follow-up for that matter. Now, having said that, okay, this means that affiliate marketing cuts away all the unnecessary stuff and allows you to focus on one thing, and that is on getting customers, making sales. So as a referral, or what we call an affiliate marketer, your job is to promote the product, the affiliate product, to the right people and then convince them or convert them into a sale. Okay, so that's what affiliate marketing is, and it's great for beginners. Okay, and so hopefully this allows you to understand the business model better. If you have any question, okay, please come back to us, and remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more of this Q&A done and learn more about the business online. Okay, thank you very much.